Hello, thank you for taking the time to fill out the form. Um, if you made it up to here, that's mean that you're almost there. So I'm gonna overview what need to be done. The test will be for 20 minutes once you start taking it. Right now, I'm just gonna show you example and explain to you what to do. So in order to do the test, you will need to be on Amazon.com and not Amazon something else. Make sure you're on Amazon.com. You will also need to download the spreadsheet that was attached to the email that you receive, and you will have to make sure you have both application open in order to cut and paste. Eventually, you will be timed, so make sure you time yourself for 20 minutes. You could, of course, train yourself. This way, it's easier. You can and probably should have a calculator so you don't make any mistakes calculating the shipping or doing some calculation. You would be great on the accuracy of the calculation and applying the rule properly, and you will be great as well on speed. Of course, the most important is to be correct, as when you're playing with money, it is not good to make mistakes. So let's get started. I will first explain. Right now we're on Amazon. I did the search for Burberry Brit Rhythm for Men. That's what you should be doing for your test as well. So the results appear here. And from the result, as you can see here, you can see it's prime. That's mean prime mean it's free shipping and it's shipped second day. So if I click on the item, here I will see the description of the product. We'll need to copy that. I will see the buy box price, which is $82. Buy box is the price that is all the way on top to the right of your screen. Now we can see also who is selling the item, and it says sold by Amazon. When you will see sold by Amazon as the first rule, you will have to ignore it and then go to the second item. Now, if you go down the page at the bottom toward the left, you will see the ASIN, which means Amazon. That's an Amazon number. And so what you'll have to copy is, of course, that number. So if you double click on it, it will select it and then you can copy it. We're gonna get going. So I'm gonna go back and actually pretend I am doing the test like you should. So make sure you have both application open. Make sure that you're ready or you already have the results for Burberry Brit Rhythm for Men. As you can see, we're doing perfumes. So I will click on the first item to the top left. And again, I see this item is sold by Amazon, so I will ignore it. So I'll quickly go to the second item, and it is the same thing. It is also sold by Amazon, so I will ignore it. Third item, same deal, Amazon, ignore. Fourth, Amazon, ignore. This one is also sold by Amazon. I will ignore it as well. Then I'm going to go down. It is also sold by Amazon, so I will ignore it. This one is again sold by Amazon. Now this one is not sold by Amazon. It is sold by a vendor called Essence of BB, and it is Prime. So the first step will be to copy the description. Make sure you copy without any formatting. Now you can see I actually copy with formatting. So the quickest step is to undo it. And now if I right click, I can paste and paste without formatting. And this way it's much cleaner and much better. Then I need the ASIN, so I'll go down and double click on the ASIN, copy it, paste it. Then I will copy the seller. Same thing, I'll highlight it and copy, again without formatting. Now the buy box price, the buy box price is 55. It's better if you type it in. The shipping is free, so you could put 0 if you want or nothing. It is Prime, so the formula for Prime is to take the buy box price, which is $55, minus $9. So the final price is going to be $56. No, it's going to be 46. Okay, I'm just making sure you're paying attention. So I'm going to copy the URL and paste it. Now remember that adjusted price, it is the rule number 2. If it is Prime, then you take the buy box minus $9. So make sure you don't add it. Now I'm going to go back and go to the next item. And this item is Prime as well. It is not Amazon. And it is sold by Essence of BB again. I'm going to copy the item description, enter it here, paste it without any formatting. I'm going to go down and copy the ASIN. Double clicking will allow me to select it. I'm going to paste again without any formatting. I'm going to copy the seller, Essence of BB22. I'm going to paste it without formatting, and I'm going to enter the price manually. So it's going to be 70, shipping 0, Prime yes, and the price is 70 minus 9, so that's going to be 61. I'm going to copy the URL and paste it. Now I'm going to go back and go to the next item. The next item this time is non-Prime, as you can see, and you have free shipping. So I'm going to copy again the description. You also can press Ctrl+C, just make sure you paste it without any formatting. I'm going to copy the SEN. As you can see right above, I did copy with formatting. You can copy without formatting, it's much better. It won't really matter too much for the vendor, but still it's better if you copy without the formatting. Copy, paste. Now the price is 45. Now, as per our formula, we have like 0 shipping. Prime, it's not Prime, so we're going to put no. So if an item is not Prime, as per the formula, we're going to do buy box price plus shipping, which is 0, minus 20 cents. So the final price is going to be 44.80. Now, if you have a calculator, then you can calculate it, or you can do it in your head, like me. It's really up to you. What matters is make sure you are exact. Eventually, you will have to do that test live after we receive it. If you're selected, we need to make sure that you actually can do it. So you can use a calculator if you need to, it's no problem. Now this item is not Prime, the price of the buy box is $55.38 and we have $10.99 shipping. So again, I'm going to copy the description of the item, paste it without formatting, copy the ACN, which is the Amazon number. I'm going to copy the name of the vendor, which is WB Products LLC. And I'm going to enter manually the buy box price, $55.38. Now the shipping is $10.99. The prime is no. So the formula tells us that we take the buy box, we add the shipping, and we deduct 20 cents. So the final price is going to be 66.17. And I'm going to copy the URL. Sorry, made a little mistake here. Here we go. In any case, this pretty much complete all the different possibility. Again, we had a buy box and prime. We had a buy box with no shipping, not prime, and we had a buy box with shipping, not prime. It's pretty simple. You could print the rules if you're not sure. If you practice a little, you're gonna have it. What we want you to do is start from the beginning right here and go on for 20 minutes. Don't go any further. If you want to practice a couple of times, go ahead. If you get to the bottom, first also make sure you only copy the item and not any sponsor item like this. Say sponsors, those are advertising. If you get to the last item, which would be this one, then as you can see, you could see the 42 results. You could go further. So you could go further down, but again, the key is to stop after 20 minutes. So when you get to 20 minutes, just stop. This is concluding our test. I'm looking forward to receive your spreadsheet. When you are done, then you put 20 minutes into it. Please upload it to the form and submit your form. Within a few days, we will have all the spreadsheet review and we'll start picking up several people. Now, it does not matter if you want to work for 2 hours or for 8 hours. It doesn't really matter. You can start small and we can always go bigger. We're going to be picking multiple people. We'll pick more people as the week progress. And again, we will test you and make sure that you can perform the same results by picking up a different keyword than that. And we'll make sure that you can actually duplicate what you send us. It is important that you're accurate and that you're fast. I thank you for taking the time to watch that video and taking the test. I wish you great luck, and I'm looking forward to receive your spreadsheet. Thank you.